1. Using the open function. The primary way to open a file in Python is using the built-in open function. This function takes two arguments. File name, the name or path of the file you want to open. Mode, optional, a string specifying the mode in which you want to open the file. Common modes include R. Open for reading, default. W. Open for writing, existing content will be overwritten. Open for appending, new data will be written to the end of the existing content. R+, open for both reading and writing. Here's an example of opening a file for reading. Python. F equals open, myfile.txt, R, #open, myfile.txt, in read mode. 2. Using the with statement. It's generally recommended to use the with statement when working with files in Python. The with statement ensures that the file is automatically closed even if an exception occurs during processing. Here's the same example using with. Python. With open, myfile.txt, R has F. #read the contents of the file. Content equals f.read. #do something with the content. Print content. 3. Reading the file contents. Once you have opened the file, you can use various methods to access its contents. F.read reads the entire content of the file as a string. F.readLine reads a single line from the file and returns it as a string, including the new line character. F.readLines reads all lines from the file and returns them as a list of strings. Each line is an element in the list. 4. Writing to a file. If you open the file in write mode, W, you can use the f.writeData method to write data to the file. The data argument should be a string containing the content you want to write. 5. Closing the file. When you're finished working with the file, it's important to close it explicitly, if you're not using the with statement. You can do this using the f.close method. Remember, make sure the file you're trying to open exists in the same directory as your Python script or provide the full path to the file. Choose the appropriate mode, R, W, or R+, based on your intended operation, reading, writing, appending, or both reading and writing. Use the with statement for improved file handling and automatic closing. By following these steps, you can effectively open, read, write, and close files in your Python programs.